Hey guys, I'm John. I'm from Salt Lake City. Been trading for about 17 years on and off, and recently decided I needed to come back, and I knew coming back into it that I needed to get coaching. I've always known I could be successful with trading. I just never really quite have been able to figure it out. So coaching was the next thing that I knew I needed to do if I was going to figure it out in any kind of timely manner at all. So, and quit wasting money, because I've wasted enough over the years. I've learned some lessons. I've made money, lost money. It's not hard to make money, but it can be very hard to keep it and to be consistently profitable. So I knew that coaching was what I really needed to do. And about a month ago, I took that plunge, made that decision, and with Greg at Elite Trading University. And I can attest to you guys, I can tell you straight up that the information in his program has profoundly impacted my results. On the chart behind me here, you can see I'm above 90%. You can zoom that in or whatever you need to do, but practice makes perfect, right? And all of those results are done on a simulator, but I couldn't have even dreamed of those results before taking Greg's program. So I couldn't be happier. I'm really excited to see what the future holds. And I can say that Greg is really giving me that energy that's required to really propel me forward. The knowledge that he's imparted to us and his program is incredible. It's well worth the investment. And so if you're sitting on the fence, you're questioning it, you're fearful, you're doubtful. I was even skeptical at first. I mean, I've been in the industry, like I said, for the past 5-6 years, and I've come across quote unquote gurus, and I've spent money on programs and just to watch it get flushed down the drain. But that is not the case here, and I really am excited to see what comes of the future. So 90% plus success rate, can't argue with that. Practice does make perfect. So if you're questioning whether or not this program is for you, I'd give it a good hard look. I initially was skeptical, like I said, but I knew that with the results that he was posting, I had to at least give it a look and try and see what that was all about. So I encourage you to do so too. Peace out. Thanks, Greg. Love you, man. Cheers.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!